Facebook is an American online social media and social networking service company which makes most of its money through ads. Let's take a look at its numbers. Facebook has a market cap of $450 billion. They have a forward PE of 19. They have 40 billion in cash and investments. They have a revenue of $51.9 billion. They have a debt of $0, rating per share $6.73, and digital ads will go up 20% year over year. But how many people use Facebook? Well, Facebook itself has 2.2 billion monthly active users, Messenger 1.3 billion, and it's not even monetized, WhatsApp 1.5 billion, and it's not even monetized, Instagram almost 1 billion, and it will double at rates by 2020. Wow. What are the potential future moneymakers for Facebook? Digital ads will go up and up. Instagram is a sleeping dragon. 4 billion investments in Oculus. Huge investments also in artificial intelligence. And they also made investments in privacy. That's because they had so many problems with privacy. They got sued so many times, so they decided to spend more and more and more and more and more and more and more. What do analysts think about Facebook? The average price target is $184, which is a lot above the actual price. Remember, use Yahoo Finance and subscribe to the channel.